So once you actually go around and sign in into Microsoft Edge, then you can work around with its sync settings. So to access out the sync settings, you can click on the three dot button right here and then go to settings right here. So once you go around onto settings, now over here you can see that there is this option right here called sync is on. If I were to go around and click and edit, then you can see that I have this option right here. So now you can see that if I were to click on sync, then you can access different sync settings, as you can see right here. For example, you can sync out passwords or disable syncing of passwords for privacy reasons. You can also sync out open tabs and history, as you can see right here, or disable it out. You can sync out payment history or payment details right here, or you can go around and then enable or disable it, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can choose what to sync and what not to sync with your Microsoft account inside of Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.